crafty friends! Today we're making spooky cute Halloween coasters with a matching hardwood holder. Your kit includes 10 milliliters of black paint, 3 accent paints of your choice, paintbrushes, Mod Podge, laser cut letters and spiders, 4 spiderweb coasters, and a solid red oak holder box. You can add on glitter gel to your kit for extra sparkle. Start by painting the box, lid, and coasters black. Use light, even coats to keep those edges clean. Let them dry for 10 to 20 minutes or until it's dry to the touch. Next, paint your letters and spider cutouts with your accent colors. Have fun with it. Mix, layer, or add highlights. Allow these to dry for 10 to 20 minutes. Once dry, brush on a thin, even coat of Mod Podge to seal the box, lid, and coasters. With the lid still tacky, press your cutouts gently to the top of the lid to adhere. Allow to dry fully before use. And now your custom Halloween coaster set is ready to use. Thanks for crafting with us. Share your creation and tag us at Crazy Craft Creations. We love to see what our fellow crafters create. If you love this DIY kit, you can find more like this one on our website at www.crazycraftcreations.com. Happy crafting!